Looking for the easiest crispy snack? Let's make a delicious cheesy potato sandwich in just 5 minutes.
Mash 2 boiled potatoes, then add salt, black pepper, and fresh coriander. Mix everything until smooth.
Spread the potato filling on bread, add a generous layer of cheese, and place another slice on top.
Toast the sandwich on a buttered pan until both sides become perfectly golden and crispy.
Take a look at that cheesy pull. Crispy on the outside, soft on the inside. Try it today and follow for more delicious recipes.
Fresh vegetables add the perfect balance of color, flavor, and crunch. Serve it with your favorite sauces for an extra burst of delicious flavor.
Every bite is crispy on the outside and perfectly soft on the inside.
Simple ingredients, amazing taste. Try this recipe today and don't forget to follow for more easy food ideas.
A touch of fresh herbs makes every bite even more flavorful. Golden, crispy, and loaded with cheesy goodness in every layer.
The perfect combination of crunchy bread and creamy potato filling.
One dip is all it takes to make this snack even more irresistible.
This quick recipe is perfect for breakfast, snacks, or family gatherings.
Fresh off the pan, hot, crispy, and packed with delicious flavor.
Pair it with a cup of tea for the perfect comfort meal.
That rich, melted cheese makes every single bite unforgettable.
With just a few simple ingredients, you can create this amazing recipe anytime. If you enjoyed this recipe, like, share, and follow for more quick and delicious food ideas.